Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Mace of Betrayal in Crimson Desert. First things first, head over to this spot on the map. This is inside the Caliphate on the main path leading the Caliphate Castle. Another thing is that you do need to progress the story a bit to access this area. You need to be in chapter 6, right after the boss fight in the castle. Now once you're here, if you're facing the castle, you're gonna wanna head to the back side of this watchtower on the left. So climb up this watchtower and go behind it. You'll see a window entrance leading to an empty room with the mace. And the prompt here is steal, so you need to equip a mask for this. This mace is the same weapon that the boss used during the fight. It's only at refinement level 2, which can be improved. Attack speed and critical rate 1 and additional damage to humanoids. Honestly, this is a cool looking one-handed weapon and can be further improved down the line. And that is how to get the Mace of Betrayal in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.